Hello from the beautiful island of Gozo, where we are celebrating Natasha's second birthday, and we are doing some unboxing of travel size friendly Natasha's toy time. Wow!